初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
How much is this?
How much is this?
这个多少钱？
How much is this?
How much is this?
Do you have this size?
Do you have this size?
有这个尺寸吗？
Do you have this size?
Do you have this size?
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
我可以试穿吗？
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
试衣间在哪里？
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
Do you have more colors?
Do you have more colors?
有更多颜色吗？
Do you have more colors?
Do you have more colors?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
这个在打折吗？
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Can you check the price?
Can you check the price?
你能查一下价格吗？
Can you check the price?
Can you check the price?
Do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size?
有更大尺寸的吗？
Do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
有更小的吗？
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
I like this one.
I like this one.
我喜欢这个。
I like this one.
I like this one.
I'll take this.
I'll take this.
我要这个。
I'll take this.
I'll take this.
I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks.
我只是看看，谢谢。
I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Can I return this?
Can I return this?
我可以退货吗？
Can I return this?
Can I return this?
What's your return policy?
What's your return policy?
你们的退货政策是什么？
What's your return policy?
What's your return policy?
Do you offer discounts?
Do you offer discounts?
你们提供折扣吗？
Do you offer discounts?
Do you offer discounts?
Can I get a new one?
Can I get a new one?
我可以拿个新的吗？
Can I get a new one?
Can I get a new one?
Is this the final price?
Is this the final price?
这是最终价格吗？
Is this the final price?
Is this the final price?
Do you have gift bags?
Do you have gift bags?
有礼品袋吗？
Do you have gift bags?
Do you have gift bags?
Can you hold this for me?
Can you hold this for me?
你能帮我保留这个吗？
Can you hold this for me?
Can you hold this for me?
Can I pay here?
Can I pay here?
我可以在这里付款吗？
Can I pay here?
Can I pay here?
Do you take cash?
Do you take cash?
你们收现金吗？
Do you take cash?
Do you take cash?
Do you take debit?
Do you take debit?
你们接受借记卡吗？
Do you take debit?
Do you take debit?
Do you take credit?
Do you take credit?
你们接受信用卡吗？
Do you take credit?
Do you take credit?
Can I tap to pay?
Can I tap to pay?
我可以拍卡支付吗？
Can I tap to pay?
Can I tap to pay?
Do you have a receipt?
Do you have a receipt?
有收据吗？
Do you have a receipt?
Do you have a receipt?
Can I get a paper bag?
Can I get a paper bag?
可以给我一个纸袋吗？
Can I get a paper bag?
Can I get a paper bag?
Is there a warranty?
Is there a warranty?
有保修吗？
Is there a warranty?
Is there a warranty?
Can I order online?
Can I order online?
我可以在线订购吗？
Can I order online?
Can I order online?
When will this restock?
When will this restock?
这个什么时候会补货？
When will this restock?
When will this restock?
Do you have a mirror?
Do you have a mirror?
有镜子吗？
Do you have a mirror?
Do you have a mirror?
Is there a bigger one?
Is there a bigger one?
有更大的吗？
Is there a bigger one?
Is there a bigger one?
Is this washable?
Is this washable?
这个可以水洗吗？
Is this washable?
Is this washable?
Can I check the material?
Can I check the material?
我可以看看材质吗？
Can I check the material?
Can I check the material?
Do you have a new model?
Do you have a new model?
有新款吗？
Do you have a new model?
Do you have a new model?
Can you show me another?
Can you show me another?
能给我看看另一个吗？
Can you show me another?
Can you show me another?
Is this the last one?
Is this the last one?
这是最后一个吗？
Is this the last one?
Is this the last one?
Can you wrap it up?
Can you wrap it up?
能包起来吗？
Can you wrap it up?
Can you wrap it up?
Does it come in sets?
Does it come in sets?
这个有成套的吗？
Does it come in sets?
Does it come in sets?
Can you give me a deal?
Can you give me a deal?
能给我优惠点吗？
Can you give me a deal?
Can you give me a deal?
Thank you. That's all.
Thank you. That's all.
谢谢，就这些了。
Thank you. That's all.
Thank you. That's all.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。